Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, as I've already told you, that there is a pattern forming in the crude. Okay, that whenever it goes high, we have seen there is a sharp fall. Okay, so once it crosses this particular high, our previous high, we have seen it makes a new high, and once this new high goes, then we have seen there is a sharp fall. Okay, and once the price make another new, if you look at this particular chart, this has happened for 5 times after 2020. Okay, and there is a sharp fall. So once the price make a swing, after making a low, we have seen it has moved upside. If you look at this particular chart, you will understand. Now there is a swing forming at this particular level. After that, it has not made any low, so probability is high that if this level sustain, as we know that the OPEC has already reduced its production, so probability is there that there is a huge demand might arise and the price can go further upside. As we have seen that it is moving in ascending order on the upside. Suppose if the price sustain above that level, then there is high chances that we can see it can go towards a level of $90.43, which is a weak resistance. Okay, and now currently trading at around $88.80. Now if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or one more mail ID in the description. Any doubt regarding commodities, forex or stocks, okay, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, suppose if the price sustain, then as I've explained that it can touch a level of $90.45, okay, which is a weak resistance, so chances are high we can see it can go further high towards a level of 93.45, which is again a weak resistance, so chances will be very high we can see it can go further upside, and a probability of touching $94.83. Okay, and from there we can see it can go further high towards a level of $95.62. Okay, and once the price sustain above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $97.85, and from there we can see it can go further high and can touch a level of $102.25. Okay, and once the price sustain above that level, then there is high chances of going further high towards a level of $104.45, and this is a weak resistance, so chances will be high we can see it can move further upside. Again I repeat, if that level sustain, then there is high chances of going towards a level of $95, because 90.45 is a weak resistance, so probability high we can see it can touch this particular level, and if that level sustain, then we can see it can touch this particular level of 104, because 97.85 is again resistance, which is a weak resistance, so chances are high we can see it can go towards a level of around 101.97, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 104.15, and if the price move above that level, then chances are high that we can see it can go towards a level of 104.45, that is again a weak resistance, so chances are very high that we can see it can go towards a level of around $108.02. Okay, and if the price sustain above that level, then we can see it can move further upside and can touch a level of $109.27, and from there we can see it can go further high towards a level of $110.53. Okay, and if that level also sustain, then we can see it can go towards a level of $111.32, and then if that level sustain, then a probability of moving further upside will be there, as we have seen the pattern is created every time whenever it made a new low, not new low, just a fall after making a new high. Okay, now if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see their swing can form at this particular level, and it can go towards its support of around $87.56. Okay, and once the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $85.66, which is a strong support, so we can see it can move upside. Okay, but resistance are at around $86.51 will make it a bounce towards a downside, so we can see it can break this particular support, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of around $82.71, and if the price fall below that particular level, further down towards a level of $81.87. Okay, understand something, that these are the supports and resistance from where we can see a bounce back. Okay, as of now the market is very volatile, so that is, you have to understand that all these supports and resistance can create a bounce back or a bounce down towards Suppose if it this levels already being tested, so probability of moving further upside will be there, but if that level didn't sustain, then we can see a bounce back can come towards downside as well as a upside if the resistance didn't sustain. So suppose if the price didn't sustain a level of 82.7, then we can see it can fall further down, and a probability of touching 79.13 is there, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of around 77.23. This is again a strong support, so we can see a bounce back can happen towards an upside, but a strong resistance at around 78, we can see it can pull that down, and then it can go below a level of 76.81 to a level of around $74.28. okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can fall further down towards a level of $70.48, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of around 67.53. okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can go further down if the price fall below a level of 67.58. you can check my monthly video where I explain if the price fall below a level of $67.58. any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I have given the mail IDs in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.